Okay, so I want to take a look at Beethoven's Rage Over a Lost Penny. This is not the very beginning of the piece, but that's where we're going to start for today. So let's take a listen to that, and we will analyze how German augmented 6 and 5/7 plays into this. Play it one more time. It starts just before, you'll notice it starts just before, a couple measures before your page. Listen one more time. There you go. Piano. My question, as usual, is there a modulation? Yes. We, as you probably noted, start with G major on the 1 chord. Okay, and most of what happens here is kind of an alternation between tonic and dominant. Here you'll notice you get kind of a 5, 6, 5, right? F sharp, D, F sharp, A, C, with F sharp in the bass, right? Back to 1. Same type of thing. Maybe you think about this one as a 5, 4, 3, but yes, it's missing some notes, definitely. And then here, B and G, 1, 6, right? My point is really what happens here, 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 these last 3 chords. What happens on this chord? Was that a 1? The C is a dissonant note. That's a 4th, right? And it goes down to a 3rd. That's not necessarily the same one as we had here at the beginning, is it? This is a notally mixed one, isn't it? G minor. And then here, E, G, B flat, and also C sharp. Oh my gosh. C sharp, E, G, B flat. What kind of chord is that? Is that a Neapolitan? Is that an augmented 6? Or is that secondary? Let's see, what kind of chord is it? C sharp, E, G instead of C, E, G. Guess what? That's diminished. This is a fully diminished 7. Is it tonicizing something? Yeah, that would tonicize D, right? This is 7 diminished 7 of 5. Do we go directly to 5? No. We actually further intensify the motion to 5 through this chord. C sharp, E flat, G, B flat. Oh my gosh, what is that? Is that major? Is that minor? No. Is that diminished? No. What is it? E flat and C sharp. Look, we had lay and fi. What is that? That's our augmented 6th frame that will pull out towards the dominant. What do we have with it? Do and may. Guess what? That makes dome. That makes German augmented 6th, or German 6/5, as they would say in the Lates book. Let's see if that in fact does go to 5. Here, yes, it does. There's my 5. But my issue with this is that this chord here is actually spelled the exact same way. So in other words, we have lay. Do we have fi? Well, let's look at that fi. In this one, it was a C sharp, and that went up to D. This one is actually spelled as D flat. So this is still German augmented 6. We still have our dome here, our do and our may. But why would you spell it in such a way? E flat, G, B flat, D flat. Because we're not going to use that chord as a German augmented 6. Notice, lay does not pull down to so. Fi does not pull up. In fact, This D flat goes how? Down. This D flat goes down because it's the chordal seventh. And this E flat acts like a so-do. This German sixth chord actually behaves as if it is 5/7. That is a really cool pivot chord. That German augmented sixth chord is respelled so that it can function as a 5/7 to 1. In what key? The key of A flat. Key of A flat major. Rocking cool. Listen to this. Listen to both of the augmented sixth chords, and you will hear the difference in the resolution. The first one goes directly to 5. The second one becomes a pivot chord. It acts like 5/7 as a pivot chord to A flat major. Here it is one more time. Six, one. One more time. Listen to it again. Listen carefully. Very cool. It actually creates a smooth transition to A flat through the German augmented sixth becoming a 5/7. Very cool.